Howdy everyone, Robert Bradley here. So just a quick tip, if your yard looks like ours, we got lots of grass clippings. I cannot stand raking, just to be completely honest. It gets on my nerves. So instead of raking it all up, that's right, I use a bagger for my push mower, empty it a few times, and then go back over it. So Josh gets it in piles for me. I come back through with our push mower. I know it says it has a Smart drive control, but this one does not. I can't go over the big giant passes that he does, but I am able to go along the edge just to make sure that my mower doesn't bog down too much and pick up the grass clippings. You can see that it does a pretty good job. You can see that it actually does a pretty good job. It picks up quite a lot in a single pass. This is about 4 passes so far. I do like to save my grass clippings. I'm starting a compost pile. And of course, you know, Cornelius, our pig, and our chickens and duck, they do like to rummage through the grass clippings to see if there's any bugs, things of that nature. So that's what I do. As soon as I get a buggy full, I take it up to the chicken pen. So maybe you don't have a bagger on your mower, because we don't, and you don't like raking, because you know I don't. This is an alternative thing that you can do. It gets lots and lots up. As you can see, I still got a couple of piles to go. Definitely there will be a little bit of raking involved to get up the last little bit, but maybe this is something you can do. If not, tell me, what's something that you like to do in order to get all your extra grass clippings up? Thanks for watching Rooted and Resourceful. I'm Robert Bradley. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.